Ever tried to hold in a sneeze? Builds, it tightens, your face scrunches up, and then nothing. It's uncomfortable, right? That's what happens when you hold back emotions. They're meant to move through you like a sneeze. Quick build-up, big release, and then relief. But when you interrupt that natural process by distracting, suppressing, or overthinking, your body doesn't forget. It keeps holding that emotional tension, waiting to finish what it started. So if you've got anxiety, irritability, that something's off feeling, you might just be one unfinished emotional sneeze away from feeling better. Let it move. Let it out. Then notice a shift.